Well, the government continued today with a disbursement of 8.58 billion Kenya shillings of Inua Jamii cash, the transfer program that targets 1 million beneficiaries. In Kajiado County, payment to some beneficiaries was delayed due to technical hitches.
It was a big relief for the elderly in Kajiado County after 4 months without a penny. Social Protection Principal Secretary Joseph Mutari today supervised the payment of Inua Jamii funds to beneficiaries in the county. The Inua Jamii cash transfer program is aimed at supporting the most vulnerable members of the community by providing them with a stipend.
The older persons, the vulnerable people, for those we have spoken to, are quite happy. They are receiving their arrears, which they had not received from July. This is running from July to November. And each for that time is receiving 80,000 for those months of arrears. And then from next time, which we are also going on with the process, which will be getting as usual.
The PS added that after clearing the arrears, the government will be able to pay monthly stipends to the elderly on time.
Registration is actually continuous. We need to know that. Registration we keep replacing. If one exceeds and exceeds the unfortunately goes to be with the Lord, we definitely replace that. There's what we call clawback. This money is clawed back to us, and we quickly allocate to the new entrant.
Beneficiaries will also be registered with the NHIF.
My department is working very closely with the World Bank, and we want to register all these beneficiaries with the NHIF, such that they are taken care of when it comes to health facilities. So it is already started, and they will be all registered with NHIF.
The funds will be disbursed through the 6 contracted banks, namely Cooperative Bank of Kenya Limited, Equity Bank Limited, KCB Bank Kenya Limited, Kenya Post Office Savings Bank, National Bank of Kenya, and Kenya Women Microfinance Bank. Beneficiaries are expected to have an account with any of the banks where they would be withdrawing the stipends. Technical issues were reported at the Kenya Women Microfinance, causing delays in the payment of funds to the elderly who bank with the microfinance. Others, however, expressed relief after receiving their much-awaited funds.
Itasaidia kila kitu, wachukuu, watoto yote, wakina mama, hata mimi. Ile soda yangu, sasa mimi bana mtu akunya pombe, mimi kula soda. Sasa mimi bana pinta singo bure, sasa nafurahi. Saidi na Saidi.
Nisaidia hata kulipa fee ya watoto. Ni mzuri sana. Sasa hivi tunangojea saa ingine watoto wakirudi shuleni tunapeleka hiyo fee. Ndio sisi tunataka. Na kidogo tunaweza kusaidia sisi kwa utumizi wetu wa nyumba.
Nasaidia mimi shauri ya watoto wangu na sukuli na mimi kitoki kwa kinimbi. Mimi nimegonjwa hospitali.
Inua Jamii targets persons aged 70 years and above, orphans and vulnerable children, as well as persons living with severe disability who have no other income nor pension. Lillian Muli, Citizen TV.
So this next story should definitely warm your heart. John Ogilo